Highway Code Rules for Motorcyclists. These rules are in addition to those in the following sections, which apply to all vehicles. For motorcycle licence requirements, see page 118 to page 120. Rule 83. On all journeys, the rider and pillion passenger on a motorcycle, scooter or moped must wear a protective helmet. This does not apply to a follower of the Sikh religion while wearing a turban. Helmets must comply with the regulations and they must be fastened securely. Riders and passengers of motor tricycles and quad cycles, also called quad bikes, should also wear a protective helmet. Before each journey, check that your helmet visor is clear and in good conditions.